Are you stressing about not having enough leads in your business? Use this simple AI strategy to get more leads. No ads, no cold calling, no crazy tech skills, just emails. I'm Vin Nguyen, co-founder of WorkSmart AI, an AI growth partner agency, while we help local B2B business owners grow using AI. And I make videos like this so business owners don't get left behind in AI. Let's get started. Now, there are 3 steps to this simple AI strategy involving using cold email. So step 1, we have to build the list. So first off, if you're selling to big businesses and you know that the owners and the key decision makers are on LinkedIn, then the list source that I would recommend you using is apollo.io. It is a great list source because it scrapes directly from LinkedIn. The information are almost up to date and it's pretty cost effective. Now, if you're selling to smaller businesses that the owners are most likely not on LinkedIn, then a list source that I would recommend is called LeadSwift. And this is what we're going to focus here today, because if you're a local B2B businesses, chances are you're serving other local business owners. So this is going to be your greatest resource for building the list. And let me walk you through how to use it. It's very simple. So here, add a new campaign. Let's say you are searching for commercial cleaning companies in San Antonio. Just hit submit. Now that's created, just click into it. And all you have to do here is just type in the keyword commercial cleaning service, enter the location, San Antonio, Texas, and just hit search. That's it. All right, now once it's done, you just click on it. You see that there's 1,119 leads in here. So if I just click on this, and from here, you can just export it. You can also filter it before you export it. Real quick, this is a new channel and we're on a mission to help business owners adopt AI so they don't get left behind. If you found this content helpful, would you please subscribe so that way we can grow and reach more business owners? Thank you. All right, now moving on to step 2, which is we're going to use AI to help us with research and personalizing the message. So let's take a look. So I'm here in my Google Sheets and just transfer all the data onto this Google Sheet right here. And let's use this BB's housekeeping as our first example together. So here's their website, there's the phone, there's the email, there's their Google rating, Google reviews, their LinkedIn, and then when they were founded, if there's that information. Now, one downside that LeadSwift doesn't give you is the owner's name. So that's what we have to do research on. So instead of going to their website and reading everything on their website to figure out the owner's name, I just went to Gemini and said, go to this website and figure out who the owner's name is for this URL. And Gemini did the work and said the owners are Erica Sanchez. Let's double check that. So if I just go to their website, here's their website, and there it is. My name is Erica, proud owner of BB's Housekeeping. So let's go back to this, put in the owner's name, which is Erica. All right, now that we have the owner's first name, let's use AI to help us with personalizing the first part of our messaging to them. So I'm gonna go back to my Gemini, and I said, act as a code email copywriting expert, browse their website, and using their website information, write 1 sentence for me to use in my code email campaign to build rapport with them. So after it's done, here's the output. I was really impressed by your mission at BB's Housekeeping to help San Antonio families get their lives back. It's clear that your focus on building personal relationship and high quality care is what has kept your family run business thriving for over 15 years. Now you can see here that the old way would be going to the website, reading everything and trying to come up with 1 sentence in my beginning message to be able to build rapport with them, to show them that I actually did research and that's why I'm reaching out. But I don't have to do that. I just use AI for that, and that saved me so much time. So I can just copy this and just go back to my Google Sheets and just paste in my personalization. And then from there, I basically have all the components that I need to send a cold email. And by the way, here's my email body that was generated by AI. So I can just go to my email here, and to close the loop on this, I can just said, hi, Erica. Paste that first sentence to build rapport, and then just copy the rest of my body, put in Erica's email address, and put in a subject. Quick question, Erica. And then put in her email address, which is right here, and then just paste the rest of my body and just hit send. And that's it. For B2B businesses that are doing 1 million plus in revenue. If you don't want to do this, we have a done for you offer. We have built out this entire AI lead gen system using a combination of AI agents and AI workflow to reach unlimited contacts. If you're interested in this offer, check out the link below. See you in the next video.